YouTube? It's Skylar and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be cooking some Tatertot Casserole. And it's my first time making it by myself, like without my mom. So we're going to see how it goes. Stop. But anyways, if you guys like this video or try out this recipe, be sure to let me know, and don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe and like. And let's just jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I do before I start is wash my hands. So I'm going to do that right quick and then we'll get started. I'm sorry for the lighting, y'all, but this is as good as it's going to get. Get like just a Walmart bag to put up right here for all my trash, so I don't got to keep on walking back and forth. But the first thing that I'm going to do is grab a pan. Grab a pan to cook my hamburger in, because that's the first step. Oh, for this recipe, if you want to make it before I even get into the video, you'll need some type of tater tots, and then you need cream of mushroom, shredded cheese, and some people put green beans and like corn and stuff in there, but I don't know, I never have. I don't know, but some people put that in there, so I guess that too if you want. Hamburger meat, and I'm just gonna put it in my pan and then put it in my little trash bag. And then once I got it in my pan, I'm gonna cut the stove on to like, I'm gonna put it on like 7. Add in like my seasonings and stuff to this in just a second. And like I said, you could season it to taste. I'm probably just going to use like salt, pepper, maybe a little garlic and onion powder, and I might throw in a little bit of minced garlic. So like I said, I'm just going to brown this and some garlic powder and onion powder. Let's see, I may add in a little cayenne pepper too, just because I kind of like spicy stuff, and I know Mom, my dad, and Josh will too. Oh, by the way, he's not in the video because he's at work, so if you ever see me posting throughout the week, he may be in some of them, but not a lot because he works night shift. And then I'm just gonna add some salt and pepper. Y'all, we made roast the other night, and I was trying to put some pepper on my stove. I didn't know that the side was open, and y'all, I poured so much pepper without trying to. But all my stuff looks right now. I just got all my seasonings. I'm just gonna mix it all up. And then I'm probably gonna add like just a little, probably like a half a tablespoon of minced garlic. The Great Value brand. So just add a little bit of that in there. I'll be back whenever this gets done to show y'all the next step. Okay, y'all. So I'm back. The meat is done now, so I'm about to drain it. Look how greasy it is, y'all. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna take this. Let's use this hand. So I'm gonna take this over here and pour it. So I'm just pouring this in the strainer. the recipe that I watched, she used a 9 by 13. I'm not really sure what size this is. It kind of looks bigger than a 9 by 13. Well, it kind of looked bigger than hers, but I'm going to use it anyways because the only other ones I got are going to be like smaller. So I'm going to use this for all. Oh, I already sprayed my pan too. So I'm going to pour all the meat in this pan. And I'll wash that in just a second. I'm going to keep this so like spread it out in the pan. And next what you want to do, one 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom. No specific brand really. So you just want to take this. And some people put sour cream in theirs. I don't think I'm going to, just because really I don't have none and I don't really like sour cream. Like, bear with me y'all. I know it looks nasty, but I swear it is so good. So next thing you want to do is open your tater tot. And I've let mine sit out of the freezer for like 30 minutes. They don't have to be all the way unthawed because they're going to go into the oven. They're going to cook anyways. So you just want to pour those all over the top. And then the last step is the cheese. The mixed kind, the Kobe and Monterey Jack. This is the kind I like. And now I'm gonna stick it in the oven for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, and then like maybe like an extra 5 if the cheese isn't like all the way melted. And my oven's on 350. It's been preheating, so I'm just gonna put that in the oven, leave it uncovered, cook for 30 minutes, and then I'll be back to show you guys the end. This is the final product, guys. It's done, it's hot. All of the above. So that was all for that video. It's the next day, but I forgot to close it out. So if you guys like that video, if you guys like cooking videos, make sure and let me know, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.